Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to exchange cards in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So, in Pokemon TCG Live Pocket, exchanging cards referred to as crafting or upgrading allows you to optimize your deck and obtain specific cards you need. So, while traditional trading isn't available, the game provides a crafting system using the in-game resources, and here's how you can exchange cards step by step. The first step is opening the TCG Live Pocket app. Launch the app and you will be on your home screen. From the home screen, navigate to the Deck Builder or Collection option to view your cards. Now, after navigating to the Deck Builder, you'll have to understand the crafting system. So, the game uses a currency called credits to craft new cards or exchange duplicates. Now, you can earn these credits by dismantling duplicate cards, completing challenges or daily missions, or opening booster packs that are extra copies of cards and are automatically converted to credits. So, select the card that you want to craft or upgrade, then tap on the card to see its crafting cost and details. Then, if you have enough credit points, tap the craft button to add the card to your collection. Then, follow the prompts to finalize the crafting process. Then, you'll have to basically manage your duplicate cards. Excess cards beyond the deck limits are automatically converted into credits. For certain cards, you can manually dismantle them to gain additional credits. You can navigate to the deck builder and find your newly crafted card. Also, you can drag and drop the card into your deck or replace existing ones. So, while traditional trading isn't a part of Pokemon TCG Live Pocket, the crafting system offers a flexible way to get the cards you need. Use your credits wisely to build powerful decks and enhance your gaming experience. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.